up on a farm, and you know, on a farm you typically have to work on your own stuff, and small town outside of the city, and you don't have availability just to take something to the dealership every time. So yeah, we learned a lot working on that, and tractors and cars and, you know, motorcycles, all these different pieces of equipment, and you know, learn your work ethics that way too. Just felt like it was a career path that I was meant to be on, and it's driven me each and every day to learn more and be more successful. So I was a tech here at NADC. I came right after high school. My mom and dad basically told me, hey, we're going to pay for your college. You need to get the education and make sure you put forth the effort. Nothing less than pretty much an A, or it's on you. And I said, well, I don't want that debt in my life, so I said, I'll make it happen. So I actually left the school and graduated with honors, perfect attendance, and you know, all the credentials that you could possibly get before leaving NADC at the time. So it was definitely a start to a career path that I feel I've been pretty successful with. Well, NADC was the start of everything, and while I was here, you know, it really helped me to focus on learning my grades. It helped me learn how to work and study and take on a job, all three at the same time. You know, I worked at the marina that was here with the roommate, and after I did the night class, so we were in class from I think 2 until 8 or something. It's pretty long, and then when we got home at night, you know, it's pretty much studying. I really stuck to the school and made sure that I did well. If this is truly the career path that you want to be on, then listen to your instructors, really crack down. And I understand that college is all about having fun and you're away from your parents, but look, this is what's going to get you through your life. And there's a lot of roads that you can take, and there's a lot of opportunities out there for you.